Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jesus in a Tortilla. We got takeout Chinese from Panera Bread today. I know everybody's getting the new flatbread pizzas. Those are not a good deal. I did them once. I did the cheaper ones, and that's good enough for me. But this is their new Teriyaki chicken and broccoli bowl. Tender teriyaki glazed chicken over cilantro, lime, brown rice, and quinoa with steamed broccoli. Doesn't that look lovely and healthy? And it's at Panera Bread. And it was a little over $11. Sealed for her pleasure. It's a big bag. Oh, I think it was like a side dish. Like, you want a baguette or something? Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, come on. So that is what they give me. I don't know what that is. No silverware, though, by the way. No napkin. No silverware to eat a bowl. Oh, all right. It was all in the bag. God. Always a jerk. Always just go-to jerk. But there's 2 forks and some napkins. I guess this is about half a baguette. And some spoons, too. So that's all taken care of. It's all taken care of. Panera. Alright. Oh yeah, I gotta get something to eat it with. Fool. Alright. Let's take a look at this. Does not look that great through the thing. I pretty much just got home. This is tiny broccoli florets, and it smells pretty good. That's a big bowl. I mean, it's almost $12. And I got a lot more at Panda Express for $10. But anyway, you'll see that review too. All right. This has got the brown rice. What is it? I'm trying not to be. See, I'm already disappointed. This has got cilantro, lime, brown rice, and quinoa. Oh. My God. Just, my God. All right. Here we go. Cilantro, lime, brown rice. Ooh, this tastes healthy. Yep. Tastes healthy, all right. Got an earthy flavor. The lime is not up in the forefront, but there's something there, just like a hint of lime. Alright, let's try this chicken. Their new teriyaki chicken? I don't know. I just didn't want to try the pizza. Trying to eat healthier for the new year. Not even really. Alright. That is super tender and really tastes like homemade chicken that Grandma made. It's got a flavor that's like, oh, that chicken is good. It's just I don't even care about the teriyaki. That's not even that. That's not that strong either. But I like the chicken. It's like roasted. I'm guarding my bowl. That's an old instinct from when we used to be wolves. That's good chicken. The rice, I don't know, man. Rice and quinoa needs a little soy sauce. I would take care of that. But that chicken's bomb. It's almost 12 bucks. I don't like that. I think maybe it could be like 10 bucks. And they could actually put some real broccoli in there. And I don't know. I kind of was hoping that would be lime flavored rice. I didn't really taste that. But other than that, healthy, and that chicken is pretty good. And that's a pretty solid bowl full of food. I don't know. I'm gonna give it like a 7.9. Almost an 8. Love you guys. Love you, babe.